Welcome to the Cortex Learning Blog. This is tutorial number 3 of 9 for CESA 2 Input Basics. We're going to cover screen navigation. What we want to do is briefly show you the graphics area in CESA 2, where the input areas are, and how to tear the input pages to position them for personal preference. So here is the basic input screen. On the right hand side we'll have the graphics area, and CESA 2 will build the model graphically in this area as we input data into the left hand side where the engineering information is going to be input. We can tear this engineering input spreadsheet off from the side. We can park it anywhere we like on any particular side. We can grab it, reduce it down, and whenever we touch a side, it will stick and expand out to fill the space. So we can also reduce it to minimize it and show the maximum graphics area possible. We can expand it again, and we can pin it back. We can also detach different parts of the input screen, for example node numbers, lengths, delta lengths, so we can have those as separate little boxes out in our working area. We can input all these different values as we go through. Again, it's a matter of personal preference. This lower part of the screen is basically for information that can be propagated from one element to another. So diameters, for example, propagate from one element to the next. Likewise, temperatures. We have up to 9 different temperatures that we can assign to different parts of the model, and 9 pressures plus a hydro pressure. We can choose to propagate those or not propagate them if we wish. Materials are available from a drop-down menu, and you can configure to create your own materials if you like. On the top right hand corner we have auxiliary data for things like restraints, expansion joints, equipment limits, and all sorts of things. Next, I'd like to just show you where the menu items are, just a few edit and blot tools, how to move around, and perhaps a few shortcuts. Okay, so up in the scattered around the periphery of the system we have menus. Top right hand corner we have the traditional menu items that you'll be used to in most software. All of these menu items are available from icons around the screen, and each particular command has its own separate icon. You can save, cut and paste, you can archive, insert elements, all those sort of things are available. You can detach these icons and park them anywhere you feel comfortable with, and put them back when you're finished if you want to. One of the most important things, I think, is the navigation tools, where we can go from to previous elements, next element, and last element in the series. Probably the most important one here is continue, which basically adds a new element, a blank element, to the end of the input and allows you to put in the data. And of course we can duplicate the last element as well. For any other help, you can look for material on the blog, and always contact us on tech support on these numbers and email addresses. Thank you.